Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. A is equal to 6 times 10 to the power 40. Work out the value of a cubed, giving your answer in standard form. A cubed is equal to 6 times 10 to the power of 40. And since we cube a, we also cube the result. A cubed is equal to 6 cubed is 216 times 10. Any power inside the bracket is multiplied with the power outside the bracket. So 40 times 3 is 120. But this is not standard form. Standard form is any value between 1 and 9.99. So we have to bring this down from 216 to 2.16. How do we do that? So a cubed is equal to, when moving to the left, we simply add 10 to the given value. So 2.16 times 10. So here we move it twice. So 120 plus 2. So our final answer should be a cubed is equal to 2.16 times 10 to the power of 122. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.